Hello everyone and welcome back to the How to XV tutorial series. So today we're going to speak about all these little moments, all these scenarios where as a snowboarder you're following skiers on a tour or on a casual freeride or vice versa. So we're going to touch all those little scenarios with all these little behavior changes which will make a huge difference in everyone's pleasure and safety. When you do a traverse, as a skier, it's much easier to do a track for the snowboarders and it will make their life a lot easier. Try to make it slightly downhill if you can.
The idea of a snowboarder's nightmare. Slightly uphill, can't go anywhere. No! Two options here. Either you get the poles out, but you need also the snow to be carrying enough, or you put back uphill and then traverse with speed.
It's always important for skiers to realize snowboarders will struggle a lot more on a hillside. So if there is a section where the snow becomes icy, make sure your snowboarder friend will have an ice axe to block themselves if necessary, or try to anticipate and make them turn and be on the toe side if possible. One more point that's super crucial and that's always neglected is to have a board really well waxed. It will make a huge difference whenever you need to traverse, whenever you need to slide, and even in the rideability of your board. Flat sections as a snowboarder can be a huge nightmare. So whenever there is a flat, either you take speed before and stop at the end of the flat before it gets steep again, or you'll stop way before to make sure that you're going to be able to build up enough speed and enough momentum and get everyone ready to just go like a bullet through the flat. Whenever you ride together, it's always important to ride as a team. So if you see that a snowboarder will be struggling to keep his speed, as a skier, feel free to give him a bit of a pull, give him a bit of a push, because that's going to help him a lot. Always have some poles into your backpack. They're going to help you so much in flat sections, in traverses, in deep snow. Whenever you're going to be touring, it's important to know that as a skier, you will have a lot more grip on a hard, steep surface. But as a snowboarder, you're going to have a lot more grip when hiking on rocky ridges and such terrain. Last but not least, but whenever you're riding couloirs, as a skier, you can a lot more easily get stuck if it gets narrow, whereas a snowboarder, you can just slide down very easily. Your board is a lot shorter. Your tip and tail are going to catch a lot less on the rocks left and right, so it's going to be a lot easier on the snowboard. So it's always good to take that into consideration.
It's quite a good example.
Et voila, it's not rocket science. You guys can see that it's really a few details that can make a huge difference in everyone's pleasure and safety. You know, just get out there in the mountains and be a team. You know, learn to work together and you will see that all these difficulties can be erased so easily and you can have all the fun in the world and enjoy the mountain that we all love.